Very well. Okay, here we are. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome in the TEFS YouTube Trading Room, VIP room. I hope you are doing great. Hi, Brian. Hi, Andy. Nice to see you. Yes, Humana, Rost, definitely. I'm going to watch these, and we have a lot of movers, so I need to hurry with the preparation, actually. Okay, traders. Hi, DVG. Hi, team. Hi, Clifton, Scott. Nice to see everyone here. And let's just start the preparation session. I hope the sound is okay. If not, please just let me know. So, traders, seems like that this day it is starting in a slight green after the market started to pull back tiny bit, not too much. That was a milestone yesterday as the S&P 500 index is just broke above 6,300. Amazing, actually, as you can see, even the SPY is hovering around the $630 level, and it's in a tiny green. We got a Powell speech already, but he was very gentle with the market because he was not commenting neither on the economy nor on the interest rates in his brief remarks as a trader's eye looming on the August 1st tariffs, because definitely this is going to be the next big shock, unless on the 28th it's going to be the federal funds rate decision. Let me just, no, it's the 30th. I don't know why I was thinking on 28th, never mind. So indeed, he doesn't have a clue what is going on. Andy, come on. He's the Fed chair. I guess he just doesn't want to speak about that. Let's just call it. It's more a more gentle expression of the situation, I would say. Okay. Hi, Miguel. Good morning. Hi, Nita. Nice to see you. Hi, Blake. Hi, Zainab. Nice to see you all here. So traders, let's see what is happening at the moment on the market. But before that, please don't forget that we have an earnings season sale by the TEFS. So if you are just thinking to boost up your trading with some funded account and you are not a US resident, because unfortunately for US residents, we still cannot provide any funded accounts or challenges, then please just check out our great earnings season sale, which actually you can get more than 25% of a discount on the packages. Of course, it depends which package you are going to choose, but I encourage you to look around, and the most beloved package is definitely the student package, which as you can see, it is just under $2,000 level, and this is including 1 hour personal coaching with me already. So guys, hurry up. This sale is going to end on the 28th of July. You see, that's why the 28th, it was in my mind, not the FOMC fund rate decision actually, or the interest rate fund decision. So the 28th is going to be the last day of the sales. So hurry up. If you have any questions, of course, as always, you can just write me an email as well, or just get to the live chat on the TEFS.com, because we have really live chat, not only bots who are answering to your questions indeed. Okay, traders. So about the earnings season sales by the TEFs, what is happening? Market is running for new all-time highs. I would say not every week now, but maybe every day. It's insane. We are very strong guys on the market. Stock market has been running low on investors who want to sell. That might be starting to shift. Well, let's see whether the sellers are coming into the picture soon. So far, everyone is eyeing for the earnings and the interest rate decision next week and the tariffs on the 1st of August. So quite of a, I would not say that our summer is boring, right, guys? And you know what? I have a strong feeling that even August is not going to be boring at all. So guys, really good days ahead. So if you are just thinking to start on the funded accounts to have more funds to get for the earning stocks, go ahead for the sales for sure. All right, traders. So let's see what else has happened all around the world. Europe is in red, Asia red and green, Nikkei up or down, Hang Seng up, but not too much indeed. Futures, Dow Jones, though, the Dow Jones has ended yesterday as well in a small red, and now it continues into the red side indeed. S&P slightly green, but the triple Q, it's lagging behind. It's a small red, so I would say we are going to start this day muted. On the economic front, as I mentioned you, we are over a non-interesting Powell speech, let's call it like that. So it has happened at 2:30, and so far no more speech as far as I remember. Only Richmond Manufacturing Index is going to drop at 10 o'clock, so let's just be careful around that time. In the headlines, of course, it's everything about the earnings. Coca-Cola is out today, General Motors, and so on. So we have so many to talk about indeed. Yes, Palantir, it looks interesting, Andy, I think as well. Hi, Dor. Hi, Lee. Nice to see you there. And a lot more which are just going to continue to be interesting soon. So indeed, I would say that this day is going to be again an earnings day and fueled by the usual bulls resilience on the market. So let's see. There are breaking news. There is one only, though. A breaking news. Besant says that the 12th of August, the China tariff deadline likely to be extended. Talks planned in Stockholm. You see, I've told you they're going to postpone it even more. Actually, I just read that this threat with the higher tariffs to other nations, it is just a bluff from Trump because he wants to force them to, sit down and go for a talk, a negotiation with him, because so far not too many nations go for it. Of course, the big ones are trying the best, like Europe and the European Union and China. And as you can see, China on the China side, these tariffs already postponed. So unbelievable. MU same as PLTR. I'm going to check it soon. On the international news, what we have here, British gas owner pops 4% after announcing 1.3 billion British pounds investment in UK nuclear projects. So it looks like the nuclear power is still on the agenda. We can check even these stocks for today as well. Open door in the news as well. Meme stocks are back and shining, so we can watch even maybe GME today, who knows. And VD's China return buys, time for Beijing to boost its chip drive. As you know, this was a great news for NVIDIA, which just drove the price even much higher to new all-time high. Asia Pacific markets closed mixed after Wall Street benchmark hit record highs, as I mentioned you, and I would say that's it. Everyone is waiting even for more developments indeed. Hola Raspi, ¿cómo está? Are you already in Spain? No, not yet. We're supposed to move in 1 month, and like that, guys, I'm going to miss at least 1 week, so I will have a official summer holiday by then. But it's still not sure which days we are going to go. Indeed, but yeah, I'm just let's call it I'm just packing for 3 weeks now. So yeah, we are preparing. Please tell about Tesla, Coin, and Nvidia, AMD, any other which you are highly recommend. Zainab, for you mean for daily like intraday trading? Actually, even without checking them, I've seen that coin is moving higher. Bitcoin is hovering again around this 120. So coin definitely going to be on my list. AMD too. Tesla, sometimes it's quite crazy for me and a bit unpredictable on the Tesla. So I'm going to keep a little distance from the Tesla. And you mentioned nothing else, but I'm going to check them. Thank you, Raspi. Hi, Anne. Good morning. US short earnings pullback. We are just going to the earnings now, like the earnings news. Just a second, indeed. Tesla yesterday was dead. Yes, Raspi, this is what I'm just mentioning to you, that until the market was running like crazy. Just a second. And actually, the fact is that the Tesla was really not moving too much. Even as I've seen, Circle was going rather to the downside. And yeah, as you remember yesterday during the trading day, which was a very nice scalp green for me, actually, hopefully for you as well. Indeed, we've just seen that the market is moving higher, but we could not find too many stocks which has followed that much the market, which was really, really interesting indeed. So let's see what is happening. And my the market watch headlines, it's right. And maybe the sellers are gathering, has not started selling yet because we would definitely notice on the indices first. But who knows? Let's see. LMT, KSS, Zuki, thank you. I'm going to check it, everything. All right, traders, so let's just move to the big movers because as I mentioned you, we have a lot and I have only 7 minutes left, so I'm going to be quick and efficient. You mentioned already some, but I'm going to go with, first of all, with the ones which are making the biggest, okay, open is not open for trading. I'm just going to, anyway, I'm just going to ask my coworker to be so. Okay, so open it is one of the main stock which is at the moment is not tradable yet on the test, but I'm going to make it for you sure that it's going to be open by open. So open is up a lot. Reason for that, as I mentioned you, the meme stock is back. Online real estate startup popped more than 13%, extending a rally powered by the retail traders chasing meme stock. So open is definitely going to be on my list. So open, which is at the moment actually is definitely under $10. I'm just going to move it to my secondary list. So open, it should be there. And if you like these meme stocks, we can just watch even for more. GM, the first real earning stock, which was not that lucky because it's down 4%, beating sales and profit expectation in second. Adjusted earnings before interest and taxes of $3.4 billion were higher, but down more than 31% from 1 year ago. So you see it, guys. This is the most important thing in the details, and that's why GM is just tumbling down. That makes it for the short side. LMT is the same, 8% lower indeed on some quite of not good news. Management said that the ongoing program review process identified new developments that caused us to reevaluate the financial position on a set of major legacy problems. Not a good news, so LMT can go to the short side. What you're going to choose to trade most? For trade the most, Zainab? Mm, I would say I like definitely NVDA. I'm trading it quite frequently. Triple Q, TQQQ if the market is moving. I like these lower price stocks nowadays like PLTR, Unity, UPSTA, FRM, watching if there is a Roblox. I'm waiting for a reversal still, actually. Netflix. So let's just go with the new stocks. I think the new stocks has the biggest potential for the day, Zainab. Short Netflix today, Kevin. Be my guest. I'm going to be there for sure. PM for short neo wise. Yes, because actually, if I'm just going for PM earnings, this was not the best either. So PM, we can just move it to the short side together with KO and NXPI. So traders, seems like that this whole earnings today, it's not the best for most of the major big stocks. So that's not a good news. Because if I just go to Coca-Cola, okay, Coke also reiterated its full year forecast for organic revenue growth and narrowed its outlook. Ouch. This is what I am looking for the earnings report nowadays, guys, the outlook. Because even if they beat the numbers, but they drag down the outlook for the future, that's a very, very bad news indeed. So definitely this is something which we should watch carefully on an earnings report, and that's why Coca-Cola, it is down not to my 0.50%, but might is going to continue even lower. And XPI, as I mentioned you, it's lower 6%, again on some hidden bad news there, 3.40% actually, and decline due to slow demand in the automotive market. This is the reason why it's pulling back. Steel Dynamics STLD is down 2% after the second quarter trailed expectations, but again, the outlook is not the best. So actually, I have a little bit more at the moment for the short side. Okay, KSS to the moon. Yeah, the first really good long for today. And yeah, it was mentioned by some of you. Yes, calls very nice. I love it to the long side. And you mentioned yesterday that we should watch definitely this SCDG today. So I'm just going to put it on the secondary list. What else is strong? I mentioned you coin, which I like actually. SMCI is quite strong, especially compared to the sector weakness, because especially NXPI and NVDA is lower, MU is lower, AMD is lower. So let's be careful with the semicons, but SMCI quite starting to be stronger. And Google, I'm going to watch it still to the long side. News is not earnings, it's news regarding joy with Commerce. Thank you very much for the news. I did not get through it because too many actually at the same time. And we still have a lot. Here is Calix, CALX, which is up 3% after the earnings. CALX, I'm just going to move it to the secondary list because this is a stock which I usually don't trade it too much. ACI, which is going to be on my long list because it got a fantastic upgrade from UBS as far as I remember. Here is Dr. Horton as well. The home builder is up 7%. Looks like as a great candidate to the long side. UNH called by DVG. He likes it as I see. And CSX, which is on Scott's list as well to the long side, looks good. Plus even Met Pace, which is not my favorite because high price but low volume. So the Met Pace MEDP, I'm just going to call it to the secondary list. So traders, we have way too much candidates for today, but it's much better than we would be a lack of it. I'm going to focus mainly on KSS. Definitely, I like this NXPI, KO and GM to the short side. Google definitely to the long side. Yesterday, I really little bit missed it, unfortunately. Google, no earnings yet. It's going to get earnings Wednesday after market close, just like Tesla, but it can be interesting for today. So traders, VIP room traders, have a beautiful green day with Scott and DVG on deck, and Clifton as he is the biggest helper here. And I'm going to see everyone tomorrow. Good luck for you. Bye. Okay, guys, so YouTube traders, let's just check what else is happening here. Indeed, I would say that we are going to see another all-time high today. Okay, I don't know, but as the things are just continuous day by day here, it's very much highly likely indeed. So let's see what's going to happen here soon. If you have any other candidates, because we have way too many today, in my opinion, please just let me know. And Raspi, thank you very much for the KSS news. This is a really good news, actually. On the economic side, I'm just telling for the newcomers that there is no big news. Only the manufacturing index is going to be, the Richmond manufacturing index is going to be an interesting one. Oh yes, QS, I forgot it. Sorry, Nitan. I'm just coming and checking it. Wow, yeah, it looks like a pumper dumper, and now it's in a dumping phase, 10% lower. I agree with you. We should watch it to the short side. We should definitely watch it for the short side. Looks great. Okay, traders, so today is going to be a fantastic trading day again, as always, I would say, with you especially. I'm very happy to see you here. And don't forget that we have actually an earnings season sale. I'm just going to pin it, and you can see it here on the top. So it's a quite of a great earnings season sale in my opinion. So if you would like to go for some great funded account packages and much more funds to trade with even a huge help, then please just go to the site and check or opportunities there. Okay, traders, if everything goes well, we should have Amir today, indeed. I'm just going to send him the invitation again. And that means that I'm not going to be alone for today. Okay, IBM, I forgot traders, IBM is in the news as well. And Intel is coming for an earnings this week as well. So really a lot is going on now, traders. I feel like that this is one of the busiest week for the earnings season. And so far, actually, it's a very good earnings season. It doesn't seem like today because a lot of like GM not did well, LMT and XPIKO. But however, so far the earnings just came really nicely. Yeah, KSS, Ryan, everyone is just completely astonished by this KSX. And yeah, definitely it's going to be on my list as well. So let me just check my trades here. KSS is here. Okay. All right, traders. So in the meantime, if you let me, I just try to get Amir on live. Just a second. And then we can continue our preparation session indeed. So KSS, it's a great long candidate for sure. Just a sec. Okay. All right. So, I think Amir should be here soon, but he just disappeared. Okay. Is not KSS too much up? Nitin, let's see. Listen, this is a huge news. As you mentioned, this was like a takeover, something like it's a merge, like a join. Okay. That means, okay, that means that actually it's not a buyout yet, as far as I remember. But let me just check it. Wait a little bit, Amir. I just tried to get you in. Hello, I just can hear you. Please just say something to the YouTube room.
Hey Aggie, you hear me?
Yes. How about the
Okay,
others?
probably they hear me. No?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, do you hear me?
Okay, traders, please just let us know. Hi, Amir. Yes, Jeremy just wrote you
Hey
already.
Jeremy,
Okay, welcome, Amir. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. I'm fine.
Good, good.
Nice green start of the week. Hopefully, this is going to be a continuation for today. Let's see.
Um, what stock are you looking at?
A lot. We just watched KSS. It's just going up like crazy. There is GM, KO, Netflix. I know we are watching for
Too much,
Costco
Aggie. Too much
starting.
for the
I
open.
know, I know.
It's too
This
much,
is
too
earning
much.
season. I'm here. We have a lot to
No, but you have
watch.
to be selective for the opening because this is the
That's for
most
sure.
problem when you have too
Yeah,
much. Then you
yeah.
can't do it. I'm gonna give you a list what I'm watching for the opening. Um, so part of it will be like, of course, KSS. You know, this
Hmm.
momentum you just can't. And I'm watching KSS and SBT
SBT.
and SBT.
Hmm.
And there's another category that I'm calling like second, third day stock that I'm watching and they're pretty good because sometimes when you have a momentum in the trades, the institutions sometimes it can take them a day, maybe two, to participate and to be part of it. So it's a stock that yesterday was my biggest trade from the opening, QS
Hmm.
and Open. Open, it's a small cap, but
Yeah.
it's a greedy one. And of course, I'm gonna watch. I forgot on the momentum Tesla. So I'm watching on the opening the KSS those are the stocks, but I want to see, I have the levels and everything, so I want to see which one will be kind of effective immediately, and I can actually relate to that. And yeah, yesterday was good. With QS was amazing.
Yeah,
Broke
I was not
the
watching
lo-
it. Mm,
no, broke the low of the pre-market and bang it. And SBET, yeah, it's pretty volatile, but it has a lot of ATR, so
nice. We
so
like
it's a good
ATR.
one. We like ATR if it's in our favor, right?
Exactly.
Always if it's in our favor, yeah.
Okay. So, and no major economic news today. So seems like I think the bulls are just going to continue driving higher the market like crazy. Level 2 asking circle. Yeah, definitely.
What's
Do you
happening,
know?
KSS? It's earning or not?
No, it's who was it? Raspi just wrote in the room that they just went for a joint or with Converse or who, something like that. Somehow I
Really,
missed
because
this.
because this is not a stock that move like 60.
No,
It
no.
will be difficult to
Yeah,
do something. I think at the opening, it's like really weird. It's
yeah,
weird for that stock.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I agree. That's a big news. Oh, I forgot DHI, guys. DHR I was talking about, but DHI it's another earning stock, and this is quite strong as well. So I'm going to watch DHI. Actually, no, DHI I was talking about. I mixed the I mixed the symbols. The DHI I'm definitely going to watch too. Volume is not the best though. Let's see. Okay. And AMD, that was a quite of a nasty dump yesterday. LXPI earnings does not help to the semicons, but let's see whether it can get back to the upside. Kevin, which one? Tesla, okay. Hi Aggie, good morning. Just wanted to say bringing Amir on was such a smart move. You two bring great energy and it's been awesome to watch. Oh, thank you, my ear. You see, Amir, they like us.
They like us. They have all the reason to, Agi. I think so. Yeah.
Okay,
No?
guys. So let's just make some money.
Try, always we try. Usually when we don't try, we are making, Agi.
Yes, that's for sure. I'm wondering whether the market still can move for new all-time highs. Just insane. I'm expecting a small pullback. I don't know why.
Agi, when you say that, you're not objective. It's not good.
I know,
Agi,
but
don't
I'm
expect
a
nothing.
woman and women has
I
this
know.
instinct
I
and
know.
it's
Believe
not
me, I
quite
know.
good.
There are two
I
women
know you
around
have
me.
some around you.
Yeah, there's two women around me, so I know.
I know.
No one, I don't know who is the war, which one is more demanding, the wife or the daughter. So,
I know that. It's the same by us.
same, I know, I assume.
She's still
Okay.
6 years old, but
Yeah. Today they're started in that age.
I
Yeah.
know she's quiet,
You're right.
quiet knows what she wants already. Okay,
Okay.
guys, now let's see. I'm still waiting for this market to show because now I see triple Q broke the lows. Netflix. Who was with me on the Netflix short? I still like it, but no setup yet for me at least. LMTKO, weak one. XPI. Wow, Meta. It's a big boom to the downside. Looks interesting. TR. Okay. Circle, still weak. DHI strong. Hmm. Netflix looked nice, but still crazy. I'm not going to take it there. So market is starting weak and in red, but as you know, bulls are still on control in my opinion. Look at QS. After the dump, is just moving back as well. CRWD. Wow, that's something which is spready, can be spready, my opinion.
I'm watching open the small cap. Definitely, I like the 4 level, and
Mm-hmm.
right now it's around 25-cent stop. I just noticed this just because to get some trading plan, but now it's breaking the low here. But the 4 is pretty good. I'm watching it according to yesterday also. So
Yeah.
around 25-cent stop would be, yeah, KSS, I think. See what it's doing.
Okay. Still cannot see anything which I would really like and take it, guys, at the moment.
Only place I can see something about KSS if I can see it going to all 16. Maybe we have some support of the
Mm-hmm.
pre-market view up or whatever. And QS, you know what? I'm going to start half position QS. I want, even though I don't like the big volume at the beginning. Let's see, 12, 30 cents. I'm going to do half position under 12 with 30-cent stop. I have to taste it. Yeah.
Nice. It looks good, my opinion.
Agi, remember what I told you. Good is after we put the
I know,
money
and
in the
I like
pocket.
it.
We don't give compliment before. Yeah, it's
I'm
bad.
not complimenting. I'm just telling that it looks. It's not. I'm not saying it's good. It just
I'm
looks.
joking, Aggie.
I
Aggie, you
know.
just focus on the
Leonard
screen and that's
very
it. Yeah,
strong as well.
12
I'm
of 3.
watching DHI at the moment. It's starting
Just
really
make
strong, quite
sense.
resilient. I'm not going to be surprised if it's still going to break its through, guys. The high is 146, but unfortunately, it's quite spready. Would be happy to more volume on this DHI, but definitely looks
DHI is the
suspect.
restaurant, no, Aggie?
Dr. Horton. No, it's home builder.
Ah, ah, Horton is
DRI,
not the coffee.
DRI. Darden
Ah, DRI is
Restaurants.
the restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, DHI is the coffee from Canada?
I don't know. Never
No?
drank a coffee from Canada, I
Okay.
think.
QS is not really, um,
KSS
yeah,
halted, Jeremy? Wow. Yes, you're right.
halted
Now
down.
let's see
Yeah.
what's coming next. Guys, on the DHI, if it's breaking 146, I'm going to take it just for a scalp. Stop loss under 143.80. So be wise on the share size, please. Okay. KO starting to be weaker now.
Which stock you talking?
KO.
KO? Hmm. Okay.
PRTR down, AMD down, NVDA breaking down too. Microsoft weak. Apple is holding though. Tesla weak. KSS completely halted. So not too much now. Which one you called, Amir? Because I cannot see the call. You called it QS or not yet?
No, not yet. I was
Ah,
saying
okay,
under
you're
12,
checking
but
it.
it just broke the stop, so I'm not,
I see.
oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
sure. Yeah, moving to the right
2650,
direction.
2650.
Amazon, checking
And
Amazon quickly.
another stock that I'm watching is SBET over 2650. I'm gonna give it 50-cent stop. SBT. I like the
SBT.
levels here, but yeah, we have to see that it's doing something. Yeah, the
Nice.
buyers are very strong in QS. I see the volume increase and everything,
Yeah.
but What else? Tesla, yeah, was also something, but there's nothing there. Not clear
Okay.
everything.
AMD just broke down. Amazon is really strong. Alemu. Amazon is strong. How about Google? Google was very strong yesterday.
Amazon need to go higher because they need to cover his fancy marriage, no?
Oh my goodness, the half world was just laughing at them.
I don't know.
Oh, it's so sad. Yeah, I'm sure they are both
Yeah, it's
happy and in love, and everyone is just
Aggie.
joking about that.
No, 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 no. He's weird. Look, his wife weird. The previous one looks,
Open.
really solid on the ground. The other one,
The
like,
previous one, it's a real woman. The next
I
one
don't
is
think it's a real woman. According to the picture, it doesn't look like a real woman.
no, not the new one, the old one.
Ah, the old one. Yeah. Both of them got crazy. The old one, she married a teacher, and this one, because we are in a public room, I will not say my opinion, but it's not a good opinion about. So both of them kind of did a
Yeah.
second chance. I have a strategy, second chance, not on these cases. Not on these cases.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
I'm just staying with the setups for the second chance. The stocks.
Yeah. This is not a setup. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
QIS.
Open, I don't think so. Open is going to go higher, Jeremy, at the moment. Let's see. I want to see the back. Your call can be okay because it's over the VWAP in my opinion, but so far doesn't look like. Let's see whether it can find a
Where is your
support
stop, Jeremy? You
360.
want 380. Where is your stop? Where is the resistance? Okay, we have a resistance. We mark the 4. Okay, so you have only 20 cents. Right now it's still falling, so you don't have a stop. So the risk reward is not good. Not good. Only thing you can do is just watch it. Just watch it.
Circle still moving lower. SPY again, it's
And
over the high. This stock, this market is crazy, guys. Okay. Apple getting stronger now.
QS.
US still looks strong.
Yeah, trying to think on the other side on QS. Um,
Netflix is not doing anything at all. Let me just check CRWV.
12,
SOFI short. This is the small
1265. 1265.
tech stock.
1265.
Yeah, maybe SOFI, but I don't know. I don't like this big tail from the beginning of the day.
Okay.
Looks really weird for me, Nitsan. Maybe only for a scalp. Only for a scalp. Okay,
So,
DHI is getting closer. Sorry, Amia, go ahead.
no, 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 it's fine. I want to take a QS over the high. Stop going to be under the 9 EMS, so it's around 25, 30 cents. And see the relevant volume, and the volume is increasing. Now it's kind of doing bull flag over the close of yesterday, which I like it. So I'm going to put like 2 cents above, so the trigger is like 65, 67 would be a good area. Yeah. Always, if you are using automatic orders, always I'm putting it not cent above because sometimes they like to bring it to 1 cent and then throw you to the dungeon. So
No, yeah.
I don't like it. Here
Yeah.
right now, I see it's already went 1266, and now probably people got in and.
Hmm.
Okay. KSS Aggie is around the 16, which I like it,
Yeah.
but
It was halted. Be careful with that.
yeah, I like Hunted if it's, but yeah, from here, that's the area. But
Yeah, I see. I see some buyers coming in. In the meantime, traders, I just called the TQQQ under 87.30 if we push lower with the triple Q. I don't want to miss that opportunity. Also, the big semicons are very weak. Look at MU, look at NVIDIA, AMD, all of them are tumbling. Also, Apple is pushing higher. So Let's see, 28 is my entry on the TQQQ. I just want to go for my usual 20 cents of a scalp on that. Yes, Alamo, I see Amazon, but it got so many rejections on this 230. Let's see whether when it's just going to get back. For that, I think we need to see the triple Q to support it a bit more. Roblox short finally, Nitsan. I'm chasing this stock for the short. My goodness. But yesterday it started to go down and then it's just completely changed its mind.
It's weird, Agi. 15 minutes, no trade for me at
I
least.
know. I know.
Yeah. But quality over quantity. So
Exactly.
we have to wait.
We need to wait. Okay.
Yeah. If KSS broke the
TQQQ is in. I would like to see an 87, 10, 18 for the first partial. Let's
Agi, I
see.
think in your new living room you need a big wall, and I have a good idea which picture can you put there. A big picture of the TQQQ. It's part of you,
Good
Agi.
idea.
With a nice chart. Yeah.
My
It can be
children would love it
abstract.
for sure
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Find a nice
Okay.
reversal and put it on your living room. Yeah.
Okay. Apple, yeah, Neowaz, Apple is very, very wide. So I'm going to check it for continuation. Also, I am still in this TQQQ. Let's see if it goes a bit lower to this $87 level. DHI is just gathering there, not doing too much, going sideways. PUS is coming back, Amir.
I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm
Mm-hmm.
watching. It broke the nine, so I don't like the stop right now. But I'm watching. I'm watching it like a hawk.
Okay, Roblox, Nitsan. Roblox looks very good. I'm not that brave to take a break under the lows, but if it goes back to the VWAP, might I'm going to take it. And I hate this market. It's just playing with me again. Okay, maybe I will have the TQQQ just to use it as a
Okay.
darts if it's not going to get me a
The
winner here.
QS, we have like a 40-cent stop right now. A little bit more than
Mm-hmm.
I wanted, but you know what? I'm gonna give it like a 25 cents. If it's breaking the 40, like the 39, I'm gonna be out because it's supposed to go immediately. If it start to play games, I'm gonna be out.
Yeah. Okay, TQQQ is back, but we need to break the 87.20 here. Market is
So,
fighting hard.
so over the high and
Ooh, Apple started to drop. Okay, traders, we will get the 20 cents soon on the TQQQ trade. I have 2,000 shares. I'm going to sell or buy back, sorry, 1,600. Let's see.
you take 3/4 the opening, Aggie.
Yep.
Okay.
Mhm. Here we are, traders. I'm just taking a partial here on this 87.6, and I'm going to move my stop loss over 87.30, and let's see whether we still can make a move here. Apple, as you can see, is just started to move back. I must tell you, I still like DHI. It's just has not broken even the VWAP yet. And I hope that this TQQQ is going to give us a little bit more. Here we go with TQQQ. Second partial TQQQ is going to be around 86, 60, 70. And everything is dropping now. Now, profit taking has started finally. I don't know what's that. Okay. GM, Jeremy, yeah. I was watching LMT and these and the KO and GM. Oof, but this is just a straight red line. Wow. Okay. Red market so far. MU, wow. MU was a miss. You know what? MU was a miss. And PRTR and NVDA. I was not expecting these big names to drop so furiously today.
I told you in MU, there are vicious trader there.
Oh
Really.
yes, MU. You
Yeah.
mentioned.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Okay, guys, 20 more cents to take the second partial on the TQQQ and then just leave it alone. And overall market is back to the red, from green to red. Okay. And actually, today we have a big day, guys, which I have not mentioned yet because the whole um, checking process just finished. It just took a little time for our risk manager to check the competition because we have the winners. And actually, Luis was here yesterday. He's definitely the first place, so congratulations. He just won a student account. And the second place, who is really kind to my heart as well because he's my mentor trader, Carlos. So congrats, I'm very proud of you. And even we have Ilias, who just won the intro account. So congrats to everyone, guys. Really, really nice. Very, very nice results. And I'm very happy to announce Luis, Carlos, and Ilias as the winners. So really big thumbs up for them. And I'm very happy that I had a mentor trader among the winners. Indeed. So if you are around, I don't know whether they are around. They're going to get this, of course, in email as well. But I'm extremely happy. Nitsan, I don't know the details. It's just by our risk manager who just made everything. But it was not like, huge trades or something like that. It was really, really nice trading, in my opinion. So not stretch the share sizes and so on. And guys, in the meantime, I'm just taking my second partial on this TQQQ, and I'm going to put my stop loss to 80, 87.05, 87.05, and DHI, I still like it. Okay. Kevin, KSS, checking. Do you still have the
Nothing.
QS, Samir?
I have it. All the stocks are on my radar. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I'm just waiting. Not
Okay.
just waiting them. Start to
All
scan for
right.
new one, but still watching those.
Hmm. You see, guys, Amazon just made this. I really, on the Amazon, you mentioned it more, most of you, over this 230, which would have been nice if it's breaking out, but I just did not like this several rejection. And now seems like that the market is in a real pullback, which is good for our TQQQ.
Yeah, 168, 11, 168, 11,
NVIDIA is a non-stopper.
68,
And
11.
DHI just entered traders on DHI, the stop loss under 144.70. So
Yeah.
that means that I would like to go at least for $1. So 147.2040 would be a great partialing point.
I'm watching PM of
PM.
168, 11, 12. Doesn't matter. $1 stop, which is okay. It's
Nice.
it's a multi. It's more than 4 point ATR. I think I had earning correct.
Yes.
Correct, Emil. I like what it did. Like it was a drop, and then nice volume, and then side over the VWAP. Let's see in different time frame. Yeah, there's a lot of potential here. What's the daily looks like? Yeah, it's a nice gap here. Yeah, lots of institutional, less short. Yeah. So another candidate. Too many candidates, no trade yet. But it's fine.
I know, but that looks, I don't say anything. When market is tumbling. Yes, Jeremy, I see that now it's not just a plain sell-off because the fear index is going higher as well. Traders on TQQQ, I'm not going to take any more partials there. I'm just going to move my stop loss to 86.30. 86.30 now. Beautiful move here. And DHI, I would like to see a break over 147. And the market is just dropping like a stone at the moment.
You have the option, like if you have your, if you do the visual trading, correct? You have the option in TEFS. Like if
Yeah.
you put, so you, another nice thing that you can, do when you have the the stop inside, just click on the line. You have some option that it's
Yes, like that.
trailing. Yeah, exactly. I like to do
So
it sometimes,
I
especially
I
with the last
love
part.
this. Yeah, me
Yeah,
too. Like now I'm just going to put my stop loss to
it's like
86.30.
surfing in my
That's it.
vivid imagination. I feel like I'm surfing on the
Yeah,
wave, huh?
it's really good.
Yeah. At
Look
the
at
end of
that.
the on the end of the road, I'm going to get to the shore. But okay, so PM, I'm watching it.
Okay, traders, the DHI in the meantime. Sorry, Amir, I just take a partial quickly, 3/4 out. And let it run 147. I wanted to see as the market dropping though. I'm not going to wait more on this DHI. That was a nice move, but 147, I'm just taking a little bit off and let's see whether it can stretch a little bit higher there. And TQQQ is still running. What a drop. And yeah, VIX is spiking. Okay. That's a surprise sell-off. I don't know what was the trigger for that actually. I'm just checking the news. Maybe we missed something here. How about Tesla? What the Tesla is doing? Ooh, Tesla, it's a free fall as well. Okay. I cannot see any big news here actually.
Okay,
Interesting. Okay, Amir, I just checking on the children. Just a sec. We have
no
summer
problem.
holiday.
Guys,
Yes.
it's one, sorry, it's 168.30, not 160, sorry.
Ah, okay. So I'm
Yeah,
going to be back in a second, guys. Thank you.
no problem. Still watching KSS. Let's do KSS. Let's scalp it. Over 1350. And gonna give it. Stop is too big. No, I'm gonna wait. We have like a 40 cents in PM, but I'm aiming much more there. High of the day is around, we have some resistance around 160, 2 points from there. And I want to see the volume increasing. Good. 80 cents, 90, something like this. I want to see at least what's going to happen at the high, 169.85, so 170, which, let's see the day pre-market. Yeah, we have some resistance pre-market around 170, 250, something like this, but it's looking okay. Okay, we're almost getting $1 in PM, but again, I want to push it. I want to see, let's see the volume. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so KSS 1361. Yeah, let's do this. KSS, I want to scalp the KSS over 1362, around 60 cents stop. I want to scalp it. Okay, PM. Like it? Yeah. Everything looks okay there. PM. Trying to watch it in different time frame. Looking good. Yeah. We have some 9 EMA around. Yeah, we need to first to see the 170 area. That's the key area.
Okay, I am back. In the meantime,
We are only in PMs, at least the first
PM.
trade, Aggie.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Almost,
Okay.
almost we're almost $1, but we
Oh,
need more.
nice.
We need at least, no. The stop was around $1, so we need to aim towards the high of the day and break it. Yeah.
Okay.
But if it's going to be now, going to go, let's say, like 20% under my entry, reducing half position. Yeah. So I have a game plan already for every move. Still watching the KSS. If you are an aggressive trader, no, no. It's really a problem here. 13, 20, 25.
Oh, I see. I had a question. How SMCN and QBTS played out for me? Dicking, like yesterday. I
How
had a
did
green
that
day.
play out for you?
I had a green day, and Humble Ninja, that's the question of the day. What is going on? What is this? What is this sell-off? No one knows. And you know what? I'm just going to check out in the field orders. It's easier. Open is back. Let's see, open.
Open looks close, Aggie.
Open looks
Open
close.
looks close. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's nothing now.
Yeah, but
Piece
it's
of
really
steak.
back. Maybe 350, which I'm watching, Jeremy. Let's see. I'm checking, Dicking. I I don't remember, even nowadays, especially nowadays.
1335. It's gonna be entry for KSS. Stop under the round number. Yeah, I want to see the big. If something will happen, it's gonna move sideways. Okay, yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Finally,
That's
it's
nice.
moving.
Yeah, yeah. That's the
Good.
gameplay. If we're not breaking the high, we are around the 2 points. I'm going to take a partial, not immediately. I want to see. The
Nice.
ask is in the high. The bid, yeah, it's dropped. I want to see the end of the candle is like 6 seconds. It's a good volume. Okay, now see the high, exactly the high,
Mm-hmm.
195. Okay, you can take, you know what, you can put some money in the pocket here.
Looks great.
I'm going to give it
Um,
another chance. If not, I'm going to take a partial exactly here. I like the spread, because the spread can be your friend now. If it's breaking the 170, Uchimama. Yeah, here's 170. Boom. Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay, 170, 20. Kuching, kuching, kuching. I want to see that bid going above the 70. Go, 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 go. If it's not breaking, I'm taking a pause. I'm taking a pause. On 1 to 2, the first pause, which is okay.
Yeah,
Which
that's
is
the
okay.
ideal one. That's for sure. I'm still with this one-on-one, but I'm moving my stop
You're
loss.
1 to 1, Aggie. What's
Yeah,
going on? You can't be profit or
I
big
was
one. What's going on, Aggie?
always like that.
Change it, Aggie. Change it. Guys, you took the PM. First trade, we waited, but it went
Okay.
pretty good.
Speaking in the meantime, I just put there that both QBTS and SMCI has been winners, but SMCI was just a small winner. So I hope it's okay for you. He's tracking me. Really, I
Oh,
mean it. He's
oh, oh.
dicking. He's journaling my my days. I don't need to. It's really good, actually. Okay, guys.
I'm gonna take you mentally. I took 60%. Usually,
60. Mm-hmm.
usually I can take more, but I have to tell you, here was the first trade after like 30 minutes. Um, so I put a little bit more than half. That's it. If it was, the first, few minutes, I will take 3/4 because
Mm.
sometimes you have to scalp it because sometimes you have the big move like few minutes and then it can go other side. So when you journal and you see how much money you left on the table, you have to do something. And taking 3/4 is best.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing.
So
Of course.
okay. So after the partial, right now I'm raising the stop because I see under my entry, not
Mm-hmm.
because it's the entry like I see the price action. And yeah, I can put a stop there and just looking for more trades. So nobody took the PM, guys.
I think some of them they did. In the meantime, I'm just buying back a little bit more TQQQ because I think the market's starting to be stretched, and I don't want to leave too much money on the table. So third partial on the TQQQ has been done, and I move my stop loss to 86.10 now. 86.08. It's okay. I think it's going to be out anyway. And traders on the DHI, I am ready to take the second partial
Guys, are
soon.
you in
Now,
KSS?
Buzak
One
took
to
the
one.
PM.
KSS 1 to 1. Let's see if we
Nice.
can get to the 14. With this one, I'm going to take 3/4 because it's kind of crazy dude. So we need to.
Okay, nice day so far. Only winners, right? You had PM, now KSS. I had the TQQQ, DHI, second partial coming.
Good. Work. Always we need patience. Sometimes that's the key. That's the key. Nobody, it's been a while since 30 minutes I didn't take any trades, but nobody asked me. Who cares what I'm thinking? Who am I? So
Hmm.
it's a good trade. It's a trade that you can watch, even months after, and you can understand why you took it, why you took the partial, why are you not out again. Even if it's going to go now again to the stop, it's still going to be profitable. But definitely, um, it's a nice formation here.
Hmm.
QS looks disgusting, Aggie. Huh? Disgusting.
QS, yep, it's just not moving
Yeah.
anywhere. But I think I'm going to take a second partial on DHI traders because it's just stopped. I'm going to sell half of my share size here. And this is the second partial, and let's see whether we can get it higher. If not, I'm going to be out on the DHI just on the entry. Okay. And yeah, QS is just, I don't know, not moving anywhere. It's weird. But, oh, Jeremy, open. I don't know whether you took it on 350, but it looks great. And I'm out of TQQQ officially. Okay, so far it's a surprising day because bulls just gave up. At least I think it's just temporarily. What do you think, Amir?
Don't have an opinion. Don't have an opinion. I don't know really. I don't know the bulls and I don't know the bears. You know,
You
don't
see,
know them.
this is nice in day trading. You don't care about that, right?
Yeah. There is another animal. They say between the bulls and the bears, there's no place for pigs. You know,
Oh yeah.
this is for when you're too greedy or too something. So
Yes. I know that quote.
yeah,
I think every trader knows that. INTC and NVDA. Jeremy, open-hearted again? Oh no, it was KSS. Okay, so this is a day for hearts, seems like. All right, which one INTC checking? INTC is going to have earnings today, tomorrow, I don't know. INTC daily chart. Where is the daily chart? Just okay. Looks stronger on the daily. I would definitely say it looks nice for continuation higher, but for that, I don't know. Let's see whether it can break the highs. Looks interesting. And for me, traders, seems like that the market just fell enough so far at least, and might we see a small pullback now? This back to the VWAP and then decision. And VDA is everything is reversing. Look at that. Microsoft, AMD, hopefully KSS as well. What was your KSS score, Amir? Where did you get?
1330.
13. So, ooh, nice.
Yeah,
Okay. Might I'm going to join you now. Not 30, but 75 is the
yeah, I
only
know what you're
setup.
saying. Yeah,
Maybe I'm just going to join there. It looks great. Okay. Amazon, wow, what a drop from this 230. Amir, QS is moving.
yeah, but
Finally, it woke up.
yeah, I saw that it broke the high, but there's no formation, Aggie. Where is your
Oh,
stop?
I know. I'm just telling it's
No
moving.
stop.
Maybe
Yeah, yeah,
later
I'm
it'll
watching it.
be
I'm watching it. I don't know where is my stop.
Tesla
Uh,
new white. Ooh, what a V-shaped reversal on Tesla. Now, you know what, guys? If the market is starting to be again bullish, I like Tesla for a long. No setup yet, but I'm going to watch it. And SBT, it's in or not, Amir? Because SBT, I am starting to like it even much better over this 2650 now.
um, I forgot to watch, but you're absolutely right. That we have like a 70 cent stop, which is totally fine before
Mm-hmm.
that stock. Yeah.
This SBT looks quite nice here over this 2650. Let's see whether it can go. I'm still holding only DHI traders. I'm going to be out on 146. 146.40. Let's just lock in a little bit of profit here.
Okay.
And I'm wondering whether the SPY is going to make a small pullback at least. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. I could not feel any consequence of this manufacturing index so far. Just got released at 10 o'clock. Let me just check it. Ooh, Richmond manufacturing index much worse than expected. Maybe this was the trigger of the sell-off. I don't know. But it's quite of a nasty number, guys, on the Richmond manufacturing index. One thing is for sure, if the market comes back to the highs and above, this is going to be a proof of the bulls. Microsoft, what a V shape as well. Okay, traders, I'm going to
I'm
watch
still in
Tesla.
KSS. It broke few cents, but I'm still, now I'm putting hard stop like 12.90. And
1290,
and
1219,
Aggie, why did you say 12.75 you're joining? Because I think I'm going to add above, even double amount above 60.
1360.
13.60. Yeah, you said
Because
75. Did you see something?
yeah, I'm always, I'm always watching these channels and the consolidation channels, and I like to enter over the channel high, like for the
Oh, so you
breakout.
have channels? Okay.
So I'm watching the 1 minute chart first of all. This is might be the
Oh,
most
okay.
comfortable for me.
Ah, you're
This is most
watching one
comfortable for
minute
me.
now?
Yeah,
Okay.
yep.
Okay.
Until in the first hour, actually, I'm watching the one
Really?
minute chart.
Wow. Okay.
I just can't see the moves. But when I'm mentoring a trader, sometimes especially for the starter ones, it's too much noise. So I encourage them
Yeah.
to go for the 2 minutes instead of 5 minutes if it's better. But for me, it's just working out really good for years. Roblox checking. Has not entered or touched the VWAP yet on the Roblox, but I'm going to watch it, and I can't believe I missed the Roblox short. But I'm nothing to complain about because I had two nice winners so far. Hopefully, the try is still going.
So I'm putting another position to add 1370 in KSS. Gonna be like a 50-cent stop
Hmm?
for
I'm
the
also
ad.
thinking to enter there on 1375. For me, SBT is still going. I missed the entry, but if you took it, it's looking really good. Moment on the
At
SBT.
this point, it's good that you missed the entry. I'm 4 cent again. Okay, now I'm okay. Now I'm 4 cent in favor, but a few seconds ago it was. Yeah, I like what I see. 1370, it can actually blow up. Really nice.
Yes. Yeah, I think I'm going to join here.
I'm also in SBT. I forgot that I had
Oh,
already the automatic order. No, I had previously
yeah.
the automatic order.
This
So,
what I just asked from you because I remember you called it.
so I told you, yeah, 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 I
Nice.
have it. Yeah. Um,
Okay, traders. So I'm
it's only
still,
50 cent, but it's a
yeah,
beginning. It's a beginning. We have some resistance around a point, and after that, yeah, but KSS looking good, guys. It's like almost we are
yep,
towards the 40 cent, but I think the 3070 will be now the game plan. We have some resistance. Wow, we can do a big move. Let's see if we can actually go towards the 1450. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. I'm gonna prepare some.
okay. And the market is still, triple Q is back to the VWAP, guys. This is showing a bit strength, and mm, I'm going to join here on 75 to the KSS too. SBT I missed, unfortunately, and the DHI, I really want to see the 150 today. I don't know whether the stock wants to do the same, but 150 would be a great move there. And the market is starting to slow a bit. I don't know what's the time. 50 minutes almost went by. Okay. What do you think about Tesla? Just watching it around this 328 maybe.
The problem, the close of yesterday is maybe 50 cents above it. 228.50. So
28.50. That's not good. So I don't know. Let's see. Depends on the market for me. Also, Tesla does not care too much about the market. Guys, if you have any questions, any candidates, please just let us know in the chat. And don't forget that we have a great earning sales in the TEFS. It's a pin message, but I'm just going to get it again for you. So if you are interested in any funded account packages, then please just let us know. And you can even write me an email if you are interested. Okay, Roblox I'm still watching, but actually what I've seen from this Roblox Nissan lately, it was so strong. Maybe today is going to be the day for the start of a pullback finally. Alemu, Tesla, as I've told you, for me is just 328, so I would not take it before. Let's see. My DHI is going higher. That's good, but 150, which I want to see. Google is back to over the VWAP traders. Google is the next one which I'm watching actually here for a possible long, because Google tomorrow is the big day for Tesla and Google after market close. Okay. But now we depend a bit on the market too. And the SPY surprisingly could not even touch the VWAP. It's not coming back to the VWAP. Okay. Whew, it's really hot here in Hungary today. Just trying to adjust my air conditioning. Okay. I'm complaining, and in Spain, Amir, it's 40 degrees for more than a week now. I don't know what
you
I'm going
you
to
have
do with that.
humidity. You
Pardon?
have humidity. Humidity.
Well, we are going to be close to the beach,
No,
so
here in Hungary,
in
you
Hungary,
have humidity.
no humidity, nothing.
So we have less heat, but we have a lot of humidity. So,
Okay.
guys, I'm going to do the same trade again on PM 168.20. A little bit more than a point. Same game plan. See if we can get, and maybe second time we can actually break the 170.20. KSS still in the range. S bet nothing.
Here comes Tesla, Lemu, if you like it. Commercial freezer to make it my office, thinking, good idea. Nissan, it's freezing in Israel? I don't believe that. In
No
the air
freezing.
conditioning. That's,
Freezing. Yeah, right.
oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so I'm going to join to Amir on the KSS over this 1375. I had two winners already, so I'm going to start protecting my profit. I'm here only for a next half an hour. But so far, big surprise from the market, quite of a tumble. We have not seen it, I can say, for weeks. This behavior from the market. Maybe it's a manufacturing index, maybe some profit taking started, maybe the big guys know something but we don't know, which usually it is the situation. But so far the big names are tumbling like NVIDIA, especially the semicons actually. Google still looks interesting for me, especially if it stays above the VWAP. And also nothing else. How about Netflix? How Netflix is doing? Had such a nice trade on that last week. Oh, finally it just went down. It's okay. KSS? Yeah, KSS it's very slow now.
Weird that it KSS is slower.
Yeah.
It's weird. Or something is preparing for us something, Aggie.
Yeah, I
Hopefully,
hope
it's a
the
good surprise.
institutionals are just buying it in bulks.
I don't know if they have time now. It's only hour after the open. I don't know if they are the
Mm,
if they are the address for that. Okay, PM broke the V up, so still watching it, but it changed my game plan.
mm-hmm. It's interesting on KSS because it got really big attention today, and it's just no, it's just out so easily. It's this is the weirdest for me because this was quite of a big news for the stock itself, for the company. Okay, traders, I'm going to put my stop loss under 147.70 on the DHI, locking in some profit, but it's still going
Okay.
after the second partial, and at the moment, just cannot see anything. And once more, huge congratulations for the winners of the competition. Again, it was Luis, Carlos, and Ilias. And
How long was the competition?
it was 1 week, 1 week,
Oh, like,
on a 240K account. That was fantastic. I'm going to know more details for tomorrow because it took a little bit longer to check all the trades and so on. But
what was his number in a week? In 5 days trading?
no, it was at least 4 days of trading or 3, if I remember. And just like not all in on one trade and so on. And they could swing trade as well. And all of the assets. So you could trade crypto, altcoins, everything which is reachable on the TEFS platform. So it's quite good. Nice, nice. AMD 151, Raspi. You mean for a short? Well, yeah, listen, if the market is it's making a U-turn, maybe. But let's see. Yeah, I have not entered KSS yet. DHI is still going higher, traders. I have only 50 shares left, but it's still pushing higher. That's good. And again, I really hope to see 150 today. And Alamo, if you're still checking this Tesla still stays stronger, in my opinion. It's still a little bit more stronger. That's bad. No volume in the red candle, so hopefully it's going to be okay. Okay. AMD. Feel like if they're not going to get towards to the lows again, might we will see a small reversal on the semicons Raspi. So I would even consider a long on AMD, but only over 150 to 20 around. Okay, guys. Market is getting slower. HIMS, oh my goodness, it's not on my list, but how crazy this stock was, right, Amir? Did you trade it?
Used to. In the past, yeah.
HIMS, yeah.
What happened today? Hmm.
Oh, what a reversal. Nice. Okay. Looks interesting, that's for sure. Going to keep an eye on that. KSS, you are slow. Come on. Okay, HIMS. Looks like SBT is giving up. Shoot. Look at Roblox. Yeah, I see, but the volume was not enough for me in the red candles to take it under 120, actually. Still feel like that the market is desperately trying to make a reversal, and might it will have an impact on the Roblox as well. It's a bit extended for me on the Roblox. Might I'm not right, and it's going to go down. But I still do not want to take it here. Okay. So what do we have? We have KSS, SBT, DHI, and the slowdown market at the moment. Okay. Guys, again, my checkup. I'm just going to be back soon. Hopefully the house is still in one piece. I mean, I will be back in a sec.
No problem, Angie. I'm here. So only trade I'm in is KSS, waiting for ad. Still watching the PM. What I'm gonna do is PM is I'm gonna start with half position of 167. 60, 167, yeah, 670. I'm gonna give it like a dollar stop. And I'm gonna add probably 168.20. Yeah, that's the game plan there. KSS is getting close to that level. Okay, KSS pocket. Okay. I want to see more volume here. I didn't take it for 20 cents for the ad. Out now I'm raising my stop 1330 for the entire trade. Okay, we have like a minute to finish this candle. We have some resistance on really far away, around 15 something. Okay, good. Let's see if we can break the 14. Okay, good, 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 good. Want to see the ask and the bid. Good, 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 good. More, more. That was supposed to be a crucial candle here. Under 1360, I'm reduced half, and my stop for the full 1330. Yeah. Okay, we have for this, watching it in 5 and 2. We have like 1 second to finish this candle.
Okay,
So
guys, go ahead.
KSS broke the 70, but rejected by the 14. Exactly 14, 4.00. That's
Oh,
not good.
I
Yeah.
mean, KSS as well.
Yeah, I thought it will
Mm.
be a blow up,
Yeah,
above that level. Let's see. Coming back
me
again.
too. I hope you took the Tesla, guys. That's just insane. 328 Alamu. HIMS is going as well. Checking. HIMS. Yeah, market is making a reversal. Yeah, but it's too late. You are in Tesla, Alamu. Very nice. Okay. Wow, Tesla. I seen why I did not take it. Sure. It's too nice. SBT is alive again. That's good. Really hope now it takes this 27. Come on, KSS. Nissan, which one? AMD. Hmm. Yeah, AMD now it's starting to be stronger too. As I've told you, if the market it makes this reversal, which usually the bulls do, then we will have a lot of reversals. So hopefully KSS is going to pull itself together. Baidu for me. Okay, I was not even here. Come on. Now let me just check it. Baidu. Baidu. Wow, nah, that was good. That was a good call. Even if I did not take it, I hope you took it.
Okay, let's see if KSS will break the 14.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah. So we got 1332, add 1370, double the amount, and now we have to see the kaching. Yeah.
Kaching. I like this.
I
Expressing
like it, yeah.
for the money.
Yeah, it's a good impression. I don't know, it's funny.
Oh,
PM,
SBT. Okay.
yeah. Okay, KSS. Looking good.
Yeah, everything looks like it's in a huge reversal. PDD going up to, I bet. Okay, traders, and finally, hopefully KSS is moving 1530 would be a great partialing point, as I see.
You meant 1430.
Uh, I
Which
was on
one?
75, so I would like to
Oh,
see 15.
I would like to
Okay.
see 16, Aggie. Yeah. Yeah. Guys,
More
in PM,
exposure.
my half position, I'm going to start 67.60 and then add 68.20.
67.60.
Yeah, I want to do dollar stop. But yeah,
Just repeat it because you were lagging a little bit.
okay.
Okay. Tesla, you are a beast. SBT, it's a beast now as well. Are you still in SBT?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. This is just going like crazy now. Nice. Wondering whether NVIDIA can break the 167 traders. That looks like a comeback too. But now we need to see the market for continuation pattern. So this is not enough. We have seen it to break the Viva. Now we need to see a continuation. If not, I'm afraid we are going to see a pullback again. So let's be careful because these bulls were or bears were quite strong here in the beginning of the day at
Okay,
least.
guesses. Good, good.
Yeah,
Under 20, I'm going to take the first partial. It's going to be around 90 cents for the first entry. So let's see.
nice, 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 nice. Yeah, actually, I'm a bit greedy because my stop loss is under 1370, but I see the potential. I see the potential in
I'm
this
taking the
candle.
first partial here. Potential is when it's part of it's unrealized.
I
Yeah, I
know.
see the potential. Sometimes that's the problem. We need to take. I took a partial. Raising my stop now under 1360. Let's see. We have some
Yeah, there
view
are
up
some
area
sellers now.
1520. I don't have problem 1520 to take another partial. Um, PM looking good. Above 60 half position and hopefully PMC also have potential. Yeah. Okay, KSS we took the partial at the right peak.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, we took it like 6 cents over the high.
Nice. Yeah, I've seen some sellers there on this 14, 10, 20 around. Now maybe it's going back. Let's see. SBT, it's unstoppable now. That's great.
You haven't seen nothing yet from this one. It's already did only half of the ATR. So, and look at the big bars. Like this is a good. Okay, PM in 20 6820. Adding more.
Just thinking on these NVDA traders. Let's see whether it's just going to make a consolidation here and I'm ready to take it for a long.
What's your trigger?
Um, it's still not there. I mean the setup. I'm
Yeah,
just watching
I
it.
know, I know, I know, I know exactly what you're.
But as I see, this pullback on the market, it's quite heavy. It's a strong pullback, and I'm just appealing for a nice continuation higher. Wow, this SBT, it's crazy. You know what? I was thinking to join around the 26 for a reversal, but I did not do it. I'm in KSS still, though. Back to the entry. Microsoft starting to be stronger too. This looks interesting. 50950, but the volume is so low on the Microsoft, and Google is not doing too much. Thought it's going to be stronger today.
The pattern of cases, exactly, guys. This is something that you can actually learn and do it because that was a capitulation at the opening. Even though it was pretty high, you could see down, and you actually can do a huge channel down. And then you see a change in the character. It start moving out to the side, and that was our first trigger. And then when we actually broke the high of that one, that was the area when we added. Um, Always we kept the risk reward. We started with like 30 cents, and then we add also for the 30-cent stop, and then my first partial was from the entry like 90, so it's almost 3 times, and stop is under the 60, so you have to always do those kind of math, think risk reward, and then the numbers have meaning.
Hmm. Yeah.
Of course, like Agi said, the potential is amazing, but again, I can see it, but right now in the chart, even when we did the trade, it was less volume than I was expecting. I thought it's going to be a blow up there, really. Around that level, there was supposed to be a lot of stop orders, and I already see the 1520. I put order there because my game plan was it will be a big bull bounce that will be too fast. So sometimes I like to put the limit in advance,
Hmm.
which didn't happen. So, but those kind of things happen a lot of times when you see a good area and the stock is like jumping and then leave a big spike, and then sometimes you can't because it's order that already waited. So, okay, PM. Okay, PM, good. I'm adding more, 68.20. My stop now under 167. Now let's see if we can get the same game plan like a previous trade.
Nice
So
move there. This PM. Okay, on my side, I'm still holding this DHI, some of this KSS, but the KSS, if it's not going to make the reversal here, I'm going to be out under 1340, I think, because then it's going to break this higher highs, higher lows. Overall market, it's still very slow, guys, but at least it's going for a possible intraday breakout pattern. And Vida is good luck with the Google. Looks like its might is going to stretch higher. Also, in my opinion, it needs a little bit more volume there, but here it goes. It's just breaking out now. And I think I'm not going to take any more trades for today. I feel like it was enough. It's 4 trades, and I still give a little chance to this KSS here.
it's not that it's enough, the environment. I don't know. There was no,
Slow down.
yeah,
Mm.
I don't know why, but sometimes you can get a sense, the way the trade develop and whatever, and then according to this, you put the pedal to the metal or you just sit on your hands because,
Yep.
like,
Mm.
okay, PMM, PM. If this 5 minutes finish like this, I like it because it started sitting on the 9 EMA that still didn't, even flip. Um, Again, I don't see the volume, which usually it's a huge thing that I'm watching.
Hmm.
But I like the potential, and right now you actually can go even to see charts in 15, and basically in 15 PM looks dead. Usually when you go to resolution high, you can see it's clear. So I can
Yep.
see right now that PM is dead. Yeah,
Yeah,
because it's
you are
smoking
right.
too many cigarettes. What can you expect? It's not Lululemon, that do the stretching all the time, huh?
That's it.
Yeah,
Healthy life,
Lululemon is, yeah. This is
higher
PM. Yeah,
higher stock price
yeah.
nowadays.
Lulu, it's dropping, no? What's the
Ah,
It's been a
no,
while. No, it's higher. Yeah.
no idea what it is doing now. Let me just check it.
My last trade, I think I did a
It's
short
dropping.
because it's good,
Yep.
good. I did a short there. I think it's good. It's all the money that the women here in the house is spending on the Lulu, and even I even bought her. I was them, and yeah, I bought. The product is good, but I think
Overpriced.
it's expensive. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I never
overpriced.
bought anything from them actually.
No, no, we have a decent amount. It's nice.
I think we do not even have it. Do we have it here in Europe? I don't think so. No.
Probably you have it now. You don't see Lululemon.hungary.com? No, there's nothing.
It doesn't sound familiar actually.
Hmm.
I have a decathlon in 300 meters, so that's
Yeah,
perfect for me.
Decathlon everybody has. Decathlon everybody has. This is not. And probably
But it's
go. You have
close.
Ike, IKEA also, no?
Oh,
IKEA. Yeah,
IKEA, yes.
yeah. I like IKEA.
Yeah,
Sometimes
me
it's really
too.
nice. Yeah,
Me too. I think all of our furniture in the new house, we are going to change the old ones and everything will be from IKEA. I like it. Not
yeah.
everything, but most of it. Especially the kitchens are really good.
Okay, KSS. That's it. That's the key area under 13. Yeah, 50. All right. I'm not gonna be there.
Nope.
PM. I like what's
Furniture
PM
break this
doing.
one. Okay.
168.30. I want to see that's a good bull flag in PM. I don't want to see it breaking the 167.70, which is doing right now, but maybe it's a pullback too. Tough stock.
Okay. I'm going to leave my stop loss under 147.40 on the DHI. KSS out under 1340 traders. And I think I'm just
Has a
going to
good
call it
support.
as a day.
The
Yeah, it has.
KSS.
It
KSS
has.
is good support here. Yeah.
That's why I decided, if it's breaking through, it doesn't worth to keep it. Indeed. Oh, Vidas, I've not seen that you just joined. Good morning to you. That was a crazy morning. Look at that market, right? It's just tumbled on, I don't know, maybe on weak manufacturing prices, but I don't think so. It was enough for that sell-off.
It's good for him that he woke up now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe second part of the day will be, lunch. I don't know if it's a good area for this time of trading. KSS. If you want to be a scalper, again 1370. It just broke it. You could do it like with 20-cent stop.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add even more because I took the partial and I want to sell. I saw a limit like 72. It's coming back to pick me because I'm watching. I like to see stocks come into the same addresses, and so I like the 1370. It's gonna be a 20-cent stop. It doesn't matter what's your risk. Like you can take some, and it's pretty straightforward. Over the 70 and the high. The high of this here is 1427, so it's around 60. Good risk reward, like 1 to 3, which is fine.
Mm,
Um,
interesting.
Nice bet. So if yeah.
Vidas, yeah, first 30, 35, 50 minutes, yes. You're just sitting on your hands. Wise decision to see what is going on the market first. Guys, I still quite of like NVIDIA. I'm not going to take it 157 over 157.50 maybe if you are onto it. And again, I'm really going to. I think I'm going to close this KSS on 45, like in I don't know 35 cents of a loss, which is not a biggie. I'm still very nice and
I have
green.
a stop order there. I don't even mess around with
Mm,
this.
yeah,
I
all
just put.
right.
Look at QS. Like I'm watching the
Oh, I took it
QS.
off.
I'm
I
ah
took it off. Let me just
no.
check it.
I'm Look at this in 15 minutes. It actually it looks pretty good above 1275. You see it 15 minutes like a triangle.
Yeah.
Looks really good. Really
Yes.
good. 1235, 75. Like right
Hmm.
now it's side move, but
Yeah, but we need
12
buyers. I mean, no one is
yeah.
interested in that stock today. That's the problem.
1275 with 25-cent stop. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's again. I'm writing you here my game plan. QS over
Mm-hmm.
1275, 25 cents. Has to again. I was watching for this on KSS, which I'm out,
I'm out as well.
um,
Small loss.
and I thought it's gonna be big capitulation up, which didn't happen. But QS again looking pretty good. Again, it's good that we took the partial, so KSS it's a profitable trade.
Yeah, I entered late, unfortunately, and I was greedy. Now you see here is the potential. It has not been made.
Greedy, Aggie, don't be greedy. Okay, PM guys again.
Okay,
Okay,
after three winners, sometimes I do. No, let's see PM.
so we are there from 67.70. We add 168.20, and we hope it's gonna be 177, Aggie. At the end of the day, like a 9 point from here. So
177.
I'm just
Hmm.
joking, Aki. I'm just joking.
Hmm.
I could.
Bit optimistic, but who knows? Listen, Amir, on this market, what I've seen this year especially, never say never. Actually, for this market, this is my motto so far. It's crazy with this new Trump era. Roblox looks good for a short. Yeah, actually, I missed it, but I did not miss TQQQ with ice today. But yeah, actually, Nissan, I don't know whether he took or not, but he just raised the flag for this Roblox, and it was a good one. Listen, now only under 119 in my opinion, but I'm not sure it's going to go lower unless the market is not going to turn around. You did. Nice, Nissan. Okay. All right. Amir, I don't know how about you, but I think I'm just going to call it as a day.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm just putting orders for QS. PM, guys.
Okay.
PM looking good. And so it was how many trades? So yeah, there was a few trades here. Most of them went well. Again, just because of the size and this one, KSS was a good one because the pre-entry. The rest were okay, not something amazing, but not every day. Most of the day, it's not like, amazing. You
Yeah.
need few days that actually can dictate everything, but
Yes,
sometimes you just
exactly.
above the ground, above the ground, above the ground, day by day,
Yes.
and if you have like a red day, it's supposed to be not something really that destroy you, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a day by day job, guys. Yeah, nothing. Same routine,
Hmm.
preparing, trade. Sometimes it's going according to your plan. Sometimes the stock are not doing something, and yeah,
Exactly.
you need to be patient today. Like 30 minutes was my first trade, but it's
Yeah, today
fine.
we really needed patience, but yeah, exactly, it's fine. It's fine, but I remember when I was a starter trader, I just wanted to hop on everything in the beginning of the day, but it's not a patience versus lots of money, in my
It makes
opinion.
sense because basically you're like dress and not in
Yeah.
my case, but in regular case, you're dressed and go to work
Yeah.
and you don't work. Like again, you're working, but you don't put money. And
Yeah.
sometimes, you actually give your boss money.
Yes,
So
exactly.
this is the description of our job. So
Mm.
um, QS is pretty close. I want to see the bid, sorry, going above 75. I see the ask is already there. And again, PM So everything looks okay. Okay.
Mm.
I'm gonna join Aggie again on Thursday, and does anyone have a long or short bias on RBLX?
Roblox,
Well,
Roblox.
look, let me see the charts. Bias, I don't have on nothing. This is why even when I was with Scott, everybody like to write, long short. I don't, because sometimes I can actually short the hell of a big, like look at Roblox today. Let me
Yeah.
see again. Look at the high of the pre-market. Immediately it broke the low and just against. Let's see the daily. Yeah, look at Roblox. Look at QS. Same things. QS yesterday they will start. That was the amazing short that I had. So right now, everything can happen. They can guys the shorts there. The guys can do whatever they want. Them. You have to watch the charts. That's the key.
Hmm.
Don't bias. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's for
thank you,
sure.
Agi. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amir. It was really
Thank you,
nice to
guys.
trade with you again. And yes,
Same.
Thursday again.
Says the same routine. Hopefully, much more money. Yeah, much. Yeah. Why not?
Green is my color. Until I'm green, I'm okay.
No. I'm in this case, I'm greedy. Not greedy on the rise, but I like to push the edge. I like
Yeah.
to push even in the. Yeah, I'm really momentum in
And
my
you are
soul,
right.
Yeah, I have to.
You're right.
Not that I'm not satisfied with green, but if there is a potential, like um, if you see beautiful chart, even in this case, PM, potential is there.
Mm,
Like I have patient even to be break even, but let it, go above the 70 and maybe flow towards the lunchtime. And QS, I mean, and the potential is good. Again, I'm risking like 25 cents, really. Doesn't
yeah.
matter if you're risking $50 or whatever, 25 cents. The potential is much more if you see the ATR and what QS is doing. So it's all about risk reward.
Okay, Amir, thank you very much. Have a
You're
beautiful
welcome.
evening
You too.
and see you on Thursday. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot.
thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, traders. So that was another fantastic session with Amir. I hope you enjoyed it. Roblox, unless the market is not going to turn around and not breaking 119, I would not short it actually. And Jennifer, on the coin, though, it's building a quite of a nice consolidation, maybe over this 40, I don't know, 650 can be interesting for a reversal, especially if the market stays stronger indeed. But I think I cannot see anything else at the moment. Well, and I'm just going to call it as a day as well. It was a really nice day to trade with you. Again, congrats for the ones who just won the competition. For Luis, Carlos, and Elias, we're going to, of course, send you an email personally. And tomorrow it's Wednesday, and Wednesday is going to be a great trading day. Again, more economic news are coming and more big names, especially Google, Tesla, after the market close. So traders, have a beautiful green day at the end if you are still staying on trading. If you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up. And thank you, Vitais, and stay safe and see you tomorrow, everyone, at 9 a.m. sharp. Thank you. Bye.